After the company, the next topic is merits of a company. The merits of a company is the merit of joint stock company. The first is the limited liability. While the company have a shareholders and all the shareholders are limited liability up to the investment they have to be made in the business. Liability of a members of the company is limited to the extent of the shares capital contributed in the company. While they, as much as they have to be invest the share, only that much liability is there. Their personal assets are not be sold. While that's why there it is a limited liability in the company. That is the first merit of the company. The next is the transfer of interest. While in a company, the transfer of interest is there. While one person or one shareholder purchase the share, and when he have a need of the funds, he transfer the share to the others in a secondary market where they are sold the securities, or the shares of the company can be easily bought and sold in the market. That is secondary market where the securities are to be sold at the second time. That is known as the capital market. The easy transferability of share being liquidity in investment. While liquidity, whenever they need the funds, they change their share into a cash. The next third is the perpetual succession. Perpetual succession means any person may come or go, but the company can be run by its name. That is perpetual succession, or the company form of business enjoy perpetual succession. It is formed by the law. So also the closure is by the law, and the winding up is only by the legal process. That is, with any person's death, insolvency, or bankruptcy do not affect the run of the company. So it's a perpetual succession. Company can be run by its name, not by its member. The next is the growth and expansion. While a company has a large form of organization where the lot of funds they have, in any form of business organization, the benefit of the company is there. It has a lot of funds than the other forms of business organization. So the company form of the business, there is a more scope of growth and expansion. The company has a large financial resources, and their rate of profit is higher than the other forms of business organization because they have the sufficient fund to run a business. So there is a more probability for growth and expansion. And next is efficient management. As per they have a lot of funds, that's why they are having a efficient management. They hire the top level management people to work on the behalf of the organization. So the more professional persons are to be hired for a good salary. Company form of business has huge funds. As it dispose, it can easily offer to the higher professional experts to the performing managerial and the other activities in the organization, so the company can get the benefit in the organization. The next is the large amount of capital. So it is a last and the biggest benefit of a joint stock company. He has a large funds than the other forms of business organization. The biggest advantage of the company form of business is that it can collect a large amount of capital by issuing of shares to the public. Because it is a public company, so it can collect the large amount of funds to collect the funds from the public. Thank you.